Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your perspective on the world, and welcome. My name is Brandon Wendell, and I'm the lead instructor of the E-Mini Think Tank. Before we get started, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody that neither Free Management partners or any of his personnel are registered broker-dealers or investment advisors. I'm going to look at different securities, but I'm not recommending them to anyone. This is not tailored towards any particular individual. I do this for educational purposes only, and any mention of any particular security is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold. Also, keep in mind that all trading does involve a risk of loss, regardless of what we do to try to minimize the risk. Additionally, Free Management Partners personnel are not subject to trading restrictions. I and others of Free Management Partners could have a position in security or initiate one at any time. That being said, I want to go over some of the trading opportunities that we found this morning in the E-Mini Think Tank. We meet live 3 days a week to look at the live markets and analyze opportunities that come along and learn from those opportunities what we can do in the future as well. So looking at the S&P 500 futures this morning, we started off our week very, very well. Monday morning, we saw that the S&P was breaking a bit to the upside, and on the retracement back, I was able to capture 2 contracts on the long side to fulfill my breakout opportunity in the retracement. Well, immediately it went right to my first target, which, by the way, all of these strategies, including how to use these Fibonacci's as targets, are available in the E-Mini Think Tank. There are recorded videos and documentation that goes along with it that our students have access to whenever they want to refresh their knowledge or learn more about high probability opportunities. Anyway, with the trailing stop, as you can see, I only exited one at the first target. My second target was much, much higher. Unfortunately, we didn't get there, but we ended up leaving the trade with a nice profit. And that was really good because that was not our only trade of the day. Unfortunately, some of the other trades were losers. But the nice thing about trading and investing is if you can manage your risk properly, you can come out ahead. What we can never afford to do is take a large loss. My first 2 trades of the day were actually small losers on crude oil. Combined, it netted $250 on the deficit side, and I even had a small loss on the Russell 2000. But as you can see, the gains made on that one opportunity found in the S&P 500 well made up for those small losses. So you don't have to be a winner all the time, you just have to lose very, very small. And we do that with proper risk management and identification of high probability opportunities. There was another opportunity that was found. This was done in the micro silver. This also could have been done in the full-size silver contract. I chose the micro to help out some of my students that have smaller account sizes to include them in the opportunities. This could have also been done in the micro ES as well for the bigger trade there. Going into the micro silver, just to show you what happened there, this was another trade opportunity where we saw a breakout opportunity, in this case breaking out of a demand zone on a 15-minute time frame. So I took one contract short, and my trailing stop ended up taking me out of the trade, unfortunately, before we reached our target. But again, it was a winner, and that's the key thing. So overall, I had 2 winning trades, 3 losing trades, but came out net positive for the day. So if you want to learn more about this, obviously you can easily join us at the E-Mini Think Tank, and you can gain access to all that knowledge that we have, all the training videos, as well as be involved in the markets live 3 days a week, 2 hours for each session, to find high probability opportunities and learn how to manage your risk properly. Until next time, everyone, trade safe, trade well, and take care.
Folks, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the training. Now, if you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over here and hit the bell to keep up with all the latest trading content. And oh, did you know that we have a podcast? Supercharge your trading education with the Stock Market Millionaire, which you can find in the description down below. And while you're there, you can also find other amazing free trading resources that I put together just for you.